Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi firmware missing in Kali Linux 2023.1. So let's start. So first of all, open our terminal. And here update your Kali Linux using this command. Sudo apt-update command. I will give all commands in the description below. Now you have to run this command. Sudo dmesg. And hit enter. Here scroll down and find the missing firmware. And copy the bin file name. And now clear the screen by pressing Ctrl+L. Now here run sudo apt-cache search and paste your bin file name here. Now here you can see the missing firmware package name. Now we have to install the missing package name. So copy this package name and run this command. Sudo apt install package name. In my case, package name is firmware miscellaneous non-free. Now after completing the command, you can verify that you are able to see your Wi-Fi name. In my case, it is working now. I am connecting my Wi-Fi. So that is it. This is the way how to fix Wi-Fi firmware missing in Kali Linux 2023.1. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.